iPhone SE2 will be released early next year, but the price and size are unlikely to please buyers. Novelty should be more expensive than iPhone 8. Rumors about the iPhone SE2 have been around for a long time. Why not just attribute it to this device, but so far there is no reliable evidence of its existence. However, now the famous analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has spoken about this model. He believes that the iPhone SE2 will still appear, and already in the first quarter of next year. By the way, this is not the first rumor regarding the announcement of new items in early 2020. As for the specifications of the smartphone, according to Kuo, the device will inherit the iPhone 8 case, while receiving a more modern filling. Apple A13 SoC and 3GB of RAM. The analyst predicts that Apple will sell 30 to 40 million iPhone SE2 in 2020. This is not the first rumor that the iPhone SE2 will be an updated version of the iPhone 8. But previously it was assumed that the new platform will use an older platform. Considering that the iPhone 8 itself will still be selling for $450 at the time of the release of iPhone SE2, the new model cannot be cheaper at the same price. At the same time, iPhone XR is sold for $600, that is, iPhone SE2 should be somewhere in between. In any case, it will not be the $400 requested for the original iPhone SE at the start of sales. On the other hand, Apple can remove the iPhone 8 from sale and sell the iPhone SE2 at a conditionally arbitrary price, but not the fact that the company will do it.